Hi guys, and welcome to Christmas with Crystal. Today I'm going to show you how to make this card. And this card holds a really special place in my heart because it's actually dedicated to my mom, Pearl, who I lost last year. I actually made a version of this for her, which I will share the picture of for you so you can see it in 2021. And this is not going to anyone, I'm keeping this for me. So let's make it. Hi guys, this is everything you need to make this card. It is so simple. Let's get started. Put these aside and score, fold and burnish on our base card. Our base card is 11 by 4 1/4. We're going to score it 5 1/2. Fold and burnish. And we're using this card to do our design on, just like so. To start this card, I'm going to take a 2 1/2 inch die cut, line it up on my card. It looks like it's going to be 7/8 of an inch from each side, and I'm going to stick this down like so. We're making sure it's about 1 inch down, and now we're going to use our beautiful pearls to fill up this entire ball structure here. Look at that, so excellent, perfect circle. We're going to add a sentiment just to the middle here, or the corner. I think I like it at the corner right here. So let's stick it on one time. Let's get the center of the top here. So if this is 4 1/4, the center will be at 2 1/8. Put a line of glue, seal the end of your ribbon, stick it down. I'm going to stick this down even further down the back of the card because I'm going to add a layer to the back of this card so that we wouldn't have to see this ribbon. That's perfect. I like this ribbon. It's really dark, and I know it's dark, and I'm going to see how it looks. If it doesn't look nice, we're going to use another ribbon, but I want to really take a look at how this looks first and possibly use this as our ribbon today. Thanks so much for joining me while we made Mommy's Christmas card this year that I'm gonna keep for her. It's been quite a journey dealing with all of this. Crafting is helping me, creating and sharing is helping me, you guys' comments are helping me. I hope you have a Merry Christmas. I'm trying really hard. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any content, and stay crafty, my friends.